These bank holidays, it's a problem to decide. Tell you what, Gromit lad, let's have a nice hot cup of tea, The kettle should be boiled by now. No cheese, Gromit. Not a bit in the house. Gromit, that's it, cheese. We'll go somewhere where there's cheese. No crackers, Gromit! We've forgotten the crackers! I think I fancy some cheese, Gromit. What do you say? Cheddar? Don't forget the crackers! Oh, my dishwasher, bidet and waste disposal unit! All my greatest plumbing achievements will go up in smoke! Morning, Tom. So, what's the problem? Ah, did it sound like this? Don't worry, probably just needs retuning. Oops, butterfingers and toes. No time like the present. Now off you go and polish up that helicopter of yours. Don't worry, what could possibly go wrong? Ah. You really ought to check your facts before jumping to conclusions, Mandy. It's the kitchen, the socket's on fire. Silver's right. We've been hoping for a miracle these past 6 months, but I'm afraid we have to make our own miracle. Espio here. My team's engaging the enemy in the orbital tunnel. I think we can hold them off for now. Watch out! The masked one's here. The monster that took down Sonic. Mission complete! Well done, everyone!